Okay guys, these are the ones I say they talk. Well, here's the deal. I don't think these ones talk, guys. I thought they did, but I was faking last time. I think the ones in the park actually talk. I thought these ones talk, but I think the other ones in the park talk. That's where I'm going to next. Well, I could be wrong. These could talk too. I mean, well, I will be filming this one next month, though, guys, in June. So let's get a close-up. Here's the box. I think these are the batteries. There's the siren. This is at the full park. So back up. Whoa. Back up, back up, back up. Yeah, these just went off for a test. They all go off for a test, though. Every single siren sounds for a test. But who's that over there? Who is that? Somebody's riding a bike over there. Must probably hear me talking. They're looking at me too. Okay, I'll see you on the next one.